Given equation is what? Square root of x squared plus x squared is equal to x squared. And we are asked to solve for the value of x from this equation. The first thing we need to do is to remove this square root by square both sides of the equation. So we are going to have square root of x squared plus x squared is equal to x squared. So we square the left hand side and also we square the right hand side. So that this square is going to cancel this square root. We are left with what? X squared plus x squared, which is equal to, remember power property of indices, we can multiply the two power together. So we're going to have x to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 4. So the next thing we're going to do, if you look at the left hand side, x to power 2, x to power 2, we are adding the same thing. So this is going to be what? 2 of x to the power of 2, which is equal to x to power 4. Now the next thing we're going to do is to take this x to the power of 4 to the left hand side. So this is going to be what? 2x to the power of 2. When this x to the power of 4 cross to the left hand side, it becomes negative x to power 4, which is equal to 0. Now if you look at the left hand side, we have something in common. X to power 2 and x to power 4. So x to power 2 can go into x to power 4. So x to power 2 is common. So we factor out x to power 2, then we open bracket. 2x to power 2 divided by x to power 2, it will remain 2, then minus x to power 4 divided by x to power 2, it will remain x to power 2, which is equal to 0. And remember, x to power 2 is multiplying this bracket. So when two terms is multiply itself and equal to 0, so it's either the first one is 0 or the second one is 0. But one must be 0 before the right hand side can be 0. But we don't know which one is 0. So what we're going to do is to equate the first one, x squared, to be 0, or the second bracket, 2 minus x squared to be 0. Now to get the value of x from here is to take the square root of both sides to eliminate this square. So we take the square root of the left hand side, also we take the square root of 0. It's going to be plus or minus square root of 0. So this square is going to cancel this square. X now will be equal to plus or minus 0 is the same as 0. So this is the first value of x, 0. Or to get the remaining value, we have 2, which is equal to, when we take this negative x squared to the right hand side, become positive x squared. Then we do the same thing. We take the square root of x squared in order to eliminate the square. Then we take the square root of 2. So this is going to be plus or minus 2. So this square is going to eliminate the square root. Then x now be equal to plus square root of 2 or negative square root of 2. And when you take the square root of 2, it's going to give us 1.414. So this is going to be what? Positive 1.414, or x3, this is x2, is equal to negative 1.414. And here are the value of x that satisfy this equation. Thank you for watching, and please follow and subscribe for more videos like this.